you ever wondered why your PC or laptop can't connect to your super fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi? If you're missing out that speed boost, you're in the right place. Hi guys, I'm Adnan Hussain. Today I will show you how to check your PC or laptop if it is support 5 GHz Wi-Fi and how to enable it. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Press Windows plus R key at the same time and type CMD in the search box. Then click OK. Here type netsh wlan show showdrivers and press enter. If you really type support is this, then you have 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. If you don't have 5 GHz Wi-Fi, in that case your radio type support will be this. In that case you can't enable your 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. After this, if you have 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, then go to the search option and search device manager. Go to the device manager, this. In this window, you will be see network adapter. Extend it. Good. In your laptop or PC, there will be another name or the device name or the part supplier name. But at the end will be this wireless AC and the model number it is. You have to go to the wireless AC, double click it, go to the advanced. In here, first go to the prefer band. See, no preference. So here select the 5 GHz band and then 2.11 and SC wireless mode. Here in your case it will be disabled or the 802.11n. You have to select this 802.11 AC. After that press OK. After this I recommend to restart your PC and see if your 5 GHz Wi-Fi enabled. There is a third method, that is go to the device manager, go to the network adapter in here and drivers, update drivers. If it says the batch driver for your device is already installed, in that case you have to install the driver manually.